Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter name algebraic expressions, exercise 3.2, lecture 1. Today's lesson, we expand the formulae of cubes by applying algebraic formulae. Formula of cubes, formula number 6, because we had already explained up to 5 number formula. Okay, now formula 6, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, this equal to, we know, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube, or this equal to, we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But how we'll get this? Here proof. A plus b whole cube, this equal to, we can write a plus b into a plus b whole square, because here power 1 and here power 2, so 1 plus 2, this equal to 3. That's mean this equal to, we can write this. Okay student, now a plus b whole square, this equal to, we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here this and this fixed. Now multiplying this into this, as a result we can write a into this. That's mean a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiplying this equal to, we can write a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square, and here a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. Now this equal to, we can write a cube 2a square b and a square b, that is equal to 3a square b plus 3ab square, that's mean ab square and 2ab square, this equal to 3ab square plus b cube. Now write in arrange at first a cube then b cube, and here is common 3ab, as a result here will be a plus b. Okay, this is a formula, this line or this line, we can write anyone. Okay, now this part convert into left side. Here left side a plus b whole cube, so when we will convert this into left side will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Just this convert into left side, and right side will be a cube plus b cube. That's mean left side will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and right side will be a cube plus b cube. Again we can convert this into left side, that's mean left side will be a cube plus b cube, and right side will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That's mean this corollary will make. Clear everyone? That's mean a cube plus b cube, this equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You have to remember this. Okay student, that's mean this is a formula and this is corollary. Same for minus. That's mean formula number 7, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube mean a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, or this equal to, we can write, that's mean at first a cube then minus b cube, then after taking common 3ab, here will be a minus b. That's mean a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Proof same like as before proof, just this equal to, we can write a minus b into a minus b whole square. So a minus b fixed, and this equal to, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiplying this and this, will get here a into this minus b into this. Now a into this mean a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube. Now This equal to, you can write a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And write in arrange, that's mean a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And when this convert into left side will be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab. That's mean a cube minus b cube, this equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is another corollary. That's mean corollary number 10. A cube minus b cube, this equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Clear, student? Okay. Formula 8, a cube plus b cube, this equal to, you can write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We know corollary a cube plus b cube, this equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. And here this equal to, we can write here common a plus b, because here a plus b present, here also a plus b present. That's mean here will be a plus b and here will be a plus b whole square, and here keep only 3ab. Okay, but a plus b whole square, this equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and this equal to here minus 3ab. After calculating this line, this part fixed, and here a is square, here plus 2ab, here minus 2ab, so here will be minus ab plus b square. This is formula number 8. Clear, student? Same as formula 9, a cube minus b cube, this equal to a minus b. That's mean at first we have to write here a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square, and this equal to, we can write a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is a corollary, but here is common a minus b, so here will be a minus b and here will be a minus b whole square plus 3ab. And this equal to a minus b into here formula a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab. After calculating this part fixed, here will be a square, as here is minus 2ab and here is plus 3ab, so here will be plus ab plus b square. This is another formula, you have to remember, very easy. Here minus, and other part will be plus, but when here plus, here will be plus, but here is minus. Clear, student? Okay, now follow. Find the cube of 2x plus 3y. That's mean cube of this mean, the cube of this mean 2x plus 3y whole cube. And formula will be a cube plus 3a square b into a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a mean 2x, so 2x whole cube plus 2 into 2x is square whole square into b mean 3y plus 3 into a mean 2x, b mean 3y plus b cube, b mean 3y whole cube. This equal to, we can write 8x cube plus 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into here 9y square plus 3 cube mean 27, here y cube mean y cube. Now calculate 8x cube plus 3 into 4, 12 into 3 mean 36 x square y plus here 3 into 2 means 6 into 9 mean 54 x y square plus 27 y cube. This is the required answer. Example 13, find the cube of 2x minus y. That's mean cube of 2x minus y mean this equal to, we can write a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, as b mean y, a mean 2x, so 2x whole cube minus 3 into 2x whole square into y plus 3 into 2x into y square minus y cube. Now calculate this, 8x cube minus 3 into 4x square into y plus 3 into 2x into y square minus y cube. This equal to, we can write 8x cube minus 12x square y plus 6xy square minus y cube. This is required answer. Assessment. Find the cube with the help of formula 1, 2 and 3. Okay. This equal to, we can write 400 minus 3. 400 will be A and 3 will be B. 400 minus 3, this equal to 390 7. And finally you will calculate, that will be the required result. Problem 2.1. Simplify. 7x plus 3b whole cube minus 5x plus 3b whole cube minus 6x into this part, that means 7x plus 3b into 5x plus 3b, that's mean a cube minus b cube minus ab, but a plus b, that is absent. Okay, but we can make this. Follow the solution. This is a given condition. We can let this part, here is two different type of part are given. One is this and another one is this. Okay, so this equal to, we can let p, and this equal to, we can let q. Now subtract this and this, that's mean we can write p minus q, that's mean p minus q mean this minus this. So here will be 7x plus 3b minus 7x minus 3b. Now calculate 3b cut, 7x minus 5x, this equal to 2x, that's mean 2x, this equal to p minus q. Clear? Now the given expression, this equal to we have let p, so here will be p cube minus, that is q, here is wrong, here will be q cube, and 6x, this equal to, we can write 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x means 3 into 2 means 6x, that means 6x, as we need 3ab into a plus b. So for making 3ab, we can write 3 into 2x, and again we can say 6x, this equal to 3 into 2x, and 2x, this equal to, we have got here p minus q. So we have to convert 6x into 3 into 2x, and this equal to p and this equal to q. Okay student, again here will be q. Now this equal to p cube minus q cube, here will be q, minus 3 into p minus q into p cube, because 2x is equal to 2x, this equal to p minus q, this part. Again here p cube minus q cube, here is a wrong, you have to correction. Okay, minus 3pq into p minus q, this equal to, we can write p minus q whole cube, this equal to p minus q means 2x, so 2x whole cube, this equal to 8x cube. This is the required answer. Another math here given, a plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6 into b plus c into a square minus b plus c whole cube, whole square. Given that a plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6 into b plus c into a square minus b plus c whole square, that's mean here is a formula a square minus b square. So this equal to, we can write first part same, second part same. Here 6 equal to, we can write 3 into 2 into b plus c, and this equal to, we can write a plus b, a mean a, b mean b plus c, minus into a minus b, a mean a, b mean b plus c, minus mean here minus b minus c. Now let this equal to p and this part is equal to q. Therefore p minus q, this equal to, we can write a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c. Now a cut, here will be 2 into b plus c. Therefore the given expression, this equal to p cube minus q cube. This part I have copied before math, so here also will be p, but that will be q. P cube minus q cube, q mean a minus b minus c, minus 3 into b, 2 into b plus c mean p minus q. So this part equal to, we can write p minus q into p cube. Okay, this equal to, we can write p cube minus q cube. Here will be q, student, minus 3pq into p minus q. This equal to p minus q whole cube, but p minus q mean 2 into b plus c whole cube. This equal to 8 into b plus c whole cube. This is the required answer. Okay, to 4 number simplify. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square plus y plus z into y square minus yz plus z square plus z plus x into z square minus zx plus x square. Given that this is a given condition, this equal to, we can write this part makes a formula a cube plus b cube. A mean x, b mean y, so a cube plus b cube. This equal to b cube plus c cube. B mean y, c means z. Okay, and this equal to z cube plus x cube. We know this formula. Here formula a cube plus b cube, this equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. I have already discussed this formula. Okay, just here adding 2 into x cube plus 2 into y cube plus 2 into z cube. Take 2 common, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This is a required answer. Example number 14. If x is equal to 37, what is the value of 8x cube plus 72x square plus 216x plus 216? If the given condition is this and find the value of this part, we have to use formula. Okay, so this equal to, at first we have to make formula. So for making formula, 8x cube, this equal to, we can write 2x whole cube plus 3 into a square means 2x whole square into 6, because here is given 72. So when we will take here 6 mean b. 6 into 3, that is equal to 18. 18 into 2 square means 4. So 18 into 4 means 72 plus 3ab square. A means 2x, b means 6 square, and 216, this equal to 6 whole cube or 6 cube. Clear? And this makes a formula a plus b whole cube. A means 2x, b means 6 whole cube. Okay, but x is equal to 37. So now we can put the value of x. X is equal to 37. So 2 into 37 plus 6 whole cube. But 2 into 37, this is equal to 74 plus 6 whole cube. This is equal to 80 whole cube. This is equal to 512,000. This is the required answer. Clear? 15 number. If x minus y this equal to 8 and xy this equal to 5, what is the value of x cube minus y cube plus 8 into x plus y whole square? Here given condition x minus y is equal to 8 and xy this equal to 5. Now make formula x cube minus y cube. This equal to, x minus y whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. A mean x, b mean y. That's mean 3xy into x minus y plus here x plus y whole square. So 8 into x plus y, as the given condition is x minus y, so x plus y, this equal to, we can write x minus y whole square plus 4xy, because we know a plus b whole square, this equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, we know this from class 7. We had already discussed in class 7 this formula, in class 8 and 9. Okay, now x minus y this equal to 8, xy this equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 8. Just putting the value of x minus y and xy. As a result, here will be 8 cube plus 15 into 8 plus 8 into 8 square plus 4 into 5, and here will be 8 cube plus 15 into 8 plus 8 into 84, and we can take common here 8. As a result, here 8 square plus 15 plus 84, this equal to this, and finally this equal to 8 into 163, this equal to 1304. This is the required answer. Okay student, so follow this explanation. You will solve 1 up to 7 exercise 3.2 and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 15/6/2021. Okay, time 11 a.m. Today up to this. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.